What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play new recording 12 by Post Malone. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning, and it's got one riff that you pick through at the beginning and then some chords that you play through throughout the rest of the song. As always, I will have the guitar tab for you in the video description, as well as the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days, where you can find the chord diagrams for all these chords. So if you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They'll be there for you. So starting with the first picking part for the song, it's pretty simple, but it's got the picking pattern might trip you up just a little bit. So you're going to be open strumming your E string just down strums for the first half, and then your A string for the second half. That's all your thumb is doing. Now for the first half, your index finger is going to be playing 4 on G, 2 on G, and 1 on G with the rhythm of And what that's going to look like together is you're going to play both the E and the G at the same time, plucking your E, G, then your E again, both of them together, and then stay there for E, G, E again. And that's played twice. What that looks like slowly is played twice in the song. It looks like now the second half is when you switch to picking the A string with your thumb. What you're picking with your on your G string here is going to be 4, 2, 6, hammer on to 7, 6, back to 2, and then back to your first fret on the G string, where you'll stay through the end of the riff. Now the picking for the second part looks very similar to the beginning of the first part. It's A and G together, A, G, A, but then now you're going to be plucking both the strings together for the most part. So you're going to pluck A and G, hammer on, pluck both again, pluck both again, and then when you get back to the first fret on the G, you're plucking the open E string again with your thumb. So what that looks like slowly is similar to the first half. One more time, both together, A, G, A, both together, hammer on, both together, open low E string, and first fret on G. The way it looks in the song is one more time. And now finally it ends with you just staying right there on the first fret of the G and using that same picking pattern from the beginning of the song. Both together, E, G, E, both together, E, G, E. And then it starts all over. So that entire second half looks like Now I'm going to play the entire riff very, very slowly all the way through so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. once you get that picking part down, he's just strumming through chords through the rest of the song. So I will show you all the chords that you're gonna need. We're gonna start with a B minor 7. You're gonna bar the entire 2nd fret, starting on the A string with your index finger. Ring finger goes on the 4th fret of the D string, and your middle finger goes on the 3rd fret of the B string. Then he's using an A major. People play this one differently. I use my middle, my ring, and my pinky all on the 2nd fret of the D, G, and B. Then you'll need an E major, middle finger 2nd fret A, ring finger 2nd fret D, index finger 1st fret G. You will need a C sharp minor. You're gonna bar the entire 4th fret starting on the A string with your index finger, ring finger on the 6th fret of the D, pinky finger on the 6th fret of the G, middle finger on the 5th fret of the B. And then an A flat major. Move that entire formation down 1 string. So you're barring the entire 4th fret now with your index finger. Your ring finger is going to go on the 6th fret of the A, pinky finger 6th fret of the D, and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the G. And then finally, you'll just need to know an A minor. So that A formation here, we're just, instead of the B on the 2nd fret, you're moving the B to the 1st fret. So it's index finger 1st fret B, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G. So once you get the chords down, you will just need your strumming pattern. So your first chord progression is going to be B minor 7, A, E, where the E is going to be played twice as long as how long you play each the B minor 7 and the A. And the strumming pattern looks like down, down, up, down, up, 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 and that's played 4 times. And that strumming pattern stays the same for the rest of the chords. So next you're going to go C sharp minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, A flat, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, A major, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, E, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then you play the E one more time. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Back to A, down, down, up, down, up. Switch to A minor. Down, down, up, down, up. Final ending on E major, 1 down strum. So I'm going to play through the entire chord progression for the ending of the song so you can see what it looks like all together. Here it is. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music. Also, don't forget to check the video descriptions for a free ebook and a free capo. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.